lemon chicken piccata, an easy gluten-free recipe that the whole family can enjoy. Let's begin. Start with cutting 4 chicken breasts into medallions. You're going to place those into a Ziploc bag and then add a half a cup of gluten-free flour. I like flour. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, along with 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of Italian herb seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt. Close it up, shake it so that it gets completely coated on all sides. Into a hot skillet, we're going to add enough olive oil to cover the entire bottom. Once you see it smoking, you're going to place your battered chicken into this hot pan, and you're going to brown it for about 3 minutes on each side. At this point, you can turn the heat down just a little bit so that it's not burning, but it is cooking nicely and you get that good brown color. Now turn the chicken after about 3 minutes on that side, and you notice that I have not added all the chicken at once. Sure that the chicken gets browned and not steamed. Out of the pan with all your chicken at once, then it tends to get a little gummy and it steams up as opposed to browning and making it crispy. After you've browned it on both sides for 3 minutes each, you're going to take it out of the pan. Let's deglaze the pan with a cup of white wine or chicken stock, your choice. Add in 1 can of artichoke hearts, that's 16 ounces. And 1 tablespoon of fresh oregano to top it. Next, add a juice of 1 lemon. Three tablespoons of capers in brine, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 4 tablespoons of butter, this really makes the sauce smooth and silky, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Stir it all together so it melts into the sauce nicely. Now go ahead and add back in your brown crispy chicken. It's already heated up nicely and golden brown. You don't want to cook it too long at this point because you want it to remain nice and crispy. Finish it off with 1/4 of a cup of fresh mozzarella cheese. And plate it up on a bed of your favorite noodles. We love the rice noodles because we're gluten-free, but any noodles you have is fine. Garnish it with a few lemon slices and some fresh herbs or basil on top, and enjoy. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.